Investigation has been put into motion in the drugs-related matter in Sushant Singh Rajput's death case. A team has been formed and has left from Delhi for investigation. NCB team from Mumbai has also been asked to start analysing the network of drug peddlers in Mumbai. It's also looking into the Bollywood network. This arm of the probe was launched after purported chats between Riya and others revealed the use of banned drugs. Sharing a video to her Instagram account, Riya Chakravarti said there was threat to her life and sought protection from the Mumbai police. In the video shared on social media, it appears her father was accosted by media personnel outside their house. In an interview with India Today, she said that she wasn't living off Sushant's money, but that they were staying like a couple. She also said that Sushant loved to live like a star and did not spend money only on her. The Central Crime Branch of Bengaluru Police has arrested 3 interstate drug peddlers and recovered 204 kilograms cannabis. Kamal Pant, Bengaluru Commissioner of Police, said this huge quantity was being distributed in Bangalore city and its outskirts. The NCB recently busted a drug trafficking racket in the state in which prominent musicians and actors in Karnataka are under the scanner. Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik spoke to Prime Minister Narendra Modi over the telephone today and requested him for postponement of NEET and JEE exams in view of COVID-19 situation and also because many parts of the state are in the grip of floods. Meanwhile, opposition chief ministers who attended the meeting called by interim Congress President Sonia Gandhi yesterday called for moving the Supreme Court over the NEET JEE competitive exams matter. The ruling BJP was the largest advertiser on Facebook in India, spending over Rs 4.61 crores since February 2019, followed by the main opposition Congress Party with Rs 1.84 crores, according to data available until August 24th on the social media giant's spending tracker. Among the top 10 spenders in this category are 4 other advertisers who are linked to the BJP, including 3 that share the same address in Delhi as the ruling party's national headquarters, according to the tracker. The standoff with China in eastern Ladakh is surely the most serious situation after 1962, Foreign Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar has said, referring to the 1962 Indo-China War. In an interview to Rediff.com, he said, and I quote, "This is surely the most serious situation after 1962. In fact, after 45 years, we have had military casualties on this border. The quantum of forces currently deployed by both sides of the LAC is also unprecedented." TikTok Chief Executive Officer Kevin Mayer has quit, the company said in a statement. His resignation comes days after the popular short-form video-sharing app and one of its employees separately sued US President Donald Trump's administration over his executive order banning transactions in the US, calling it a pretext to fuel anti-China rhetoric as he seeks a re-election in November. Mayer reported directly to the Chinese company's founder and CEO Yiming Zhang.